Hi, my name is Mark Francis from Real Power, and today I have a new 180 kVA generator for installation. I'm going to be checking voltage, frequency, and temperature of this system. Okay, let's start it up. Okay, now that we're running, you can hear there's no unusual noises, the voltage looks great, and the frequency is right at 60. We'll be back later to check the temperature. Okay, after 2 hours of running, the temperature stabilized to 134 degrees. Everything checked out great, so this baby's ready to be mounted. Thanks for checking us out. I'll catch you later.